Can you describe the banquets?
Oh,
Well, first of all, no one would sit with the undertaker.
that's right.
They had their own undertaker, and his name was
Bloom.
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 So I used to say, put him at a table
for
by
two.
himself with his wife, you know. And then, because my father was he was everything. He was the president.
The hospitaller.
He was the cemetery chairman,
Yeah.
and he was the banquet chairman. You know, he had all these jobs. But when they were doing the banquet, everything would be involved at home. You know, we would hear the stories. We'd get calls in the middle of the night, so-and-so died. And I remember Faith was little, and we were there. And he got a phone call, and she listened to him. She probably was like 5 or 6, and then she said to him, Zadie, did they open up the grave? I mean, she didn't know. She just heard him, you know, talking about it. But the banquets there was fire and ice sometimes.
Yeah, some of them
because
didn't
nobody wanted to sit near the band. Nobody wanted to sit near the kitchen. Nobody wanted to sit near the bathroom. I mean, these were the, you know.
Or didn't want to sit with this one. They'd have speeches.
Oh,
and
yeah.
there was
in
one
Yiddish.
about
The speeches in Yiddish.
And I remember they were one time with my father. I don't know if you remember,
No.
but he said, "Waiters, get off the floor."
Get off from the floor, yeah.
Because they were trying to serve, to speed
Yeah.
things up, and he chased them off the floor. But at my wedding, we used Bloom's funeral cars to transport people, okay? But we also had all the detectives that were
Yeah,
in
at her
Jackson
wedding,
Heights.
right.
They came I had 300 people at my wedding. I wasn't talking to my father because I said, this is not a wedding, this is a coronation. But they came from Boston, but it was his first wedding, and he had to have everybody share in his
in the mitzvah, yeah.